Barrow Wake viewpoint. Day six, Cotswold Way. That's our view to start with. So starting at Birdlip Hill today, and we're going to Painswick. I'm not sure we're going to go into the town of Painswick. We've parked at the Walker's car park, so we've got a car here at Birdlip and a car at the end. So that's the plan.
Yep.
And we're all ready. Major views. That's Crinkly Hill there. And then just panning around. And yes, beautiful. The weather has been variable all week. Got a bit of rain forecast, but already we've got orchids. Lots of wildflowers. Yep, it's going to be a good day. Just into some trees, like a beech wood, I think. And just seen this like cliff. Yes, just incredible.
Is this the first kind of cliff you've seen on the...
No, there's cliffs at Quickly, but you couldn't see them. And there was a quarry actually. There was a quarry that I saw and that had cliffs, so... But yeah, nice. The bath is this way. Oh, yeah. Quite a bit of wood so far.
It's actually going to be a bath.
No, I think it's
pointing to bath.
bath. To bath.
It's get a bath.
Bath.
Just found some huge Roman snails.
Wow.
Look at the size of them.
Gosh.
And so I'll just
There's
put them
another
back,
one.
but there's one there, and then I've just spotted two more
Oh
up
yeah.
there. So they might be...
We're near a Roman villa, so...
I tell you what, bit of
So
garlic butter.
Yeah. The Romans brought them over, didn't they? And they've bred ever since, so it's 2,000 years, I guess.
There's a lot of stinger nettles, and there's a lot of wild garlic about.
Yeah.
So, Jesus.
Oh, there's a shell there.
You'd have a full meal, wouldn't you? You could do some proper foraging.
Yeah. Yeah, because you can eat them. That's why they had them, isn't it? Walking through the trees and get little glimpses of views. Hold on, through the stinging nettles. Ow. Very pretty. So. Such a rolling cheese down a hill, like the round whole cheeses. And I think we're near the hill now, but we're not sure. We're just walking along the track and thinking, oh, this could be it, but we're not sure. But the views through the glimpses in the trees are just like amazing.
Is this it?
I think there'll be a car park, Matt. I'm not sure. There's a lot of hills. I don't know, you'd think there'd be an access somewhere, wouldn't you? Wow. Okay. Rolling hill.
Rolling, rolling, rolling.
We've eaten our cheese because I kind of think once we get up there, we're not coming back down to pick the cheese up. Well, you're meant to race the cheese down. So it's a roll of double Gloucester cheese and you're meant to chase it down. So we've got baby bels.
That poor house, they must get cheese or whatever.
Oh my gosh, can you imagine?
Maybe they love it. Maybe they love cheese. That's what I mean.
So we've got like baby bels that we were going to throw down, but I'm not sure we're going to do it now.
Let's see.
We'll see when we get to the top. See how Matt feels, because I'm not running down to pick him up. I'm not running down a hill, not after I've climbed up it. So anyway, there it is. Yeah, I don't think there's anything more to say about cheese rolling. No, double Gloucester, thrown down the hill, people chase it. So, there you go.
People get hurt as well.
Yeah, well, guys, it's quite steep.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Hill, it's called Cooper's Hill. It's quite steep and the route is up there. I think there's a bit of zigzagging. So, Matt's gone ahead because I cannot go up this hill quickly. It will take me ages, so I'm just gonna take my time. Walk up Cooper's Hill and then see the sunlight just filtering through the leaves, and not sure I'm quite at the top yet, but not far away. Hello. That's amazing, isn't it?
Very, very steep. It's a lot steeper than I thought it was going to be.
Hundreds of orchids up here. Hundreds of them. We've just realised we didn't have to come up the hill. Never mind. Hold on, need to get the map out again.
Oh no, wait. Post is down there. So, I'd say we're carrying going up.
What does the post say?
But it would have pointed, it's going to point us straight down. It's not going to,
Okay.
they would have.
And around, like, on the side of a hill, not many views, but the smell is so intense of wild garlic. Now the flowers have been gone for nearly a month now, but oh, you can still smell it. It's just like incredible. It's so lovely. The sun just heats it up and gets this powerful, pungent smell. It's beautiful. At Cotswold, Cotswold Comers and Beechwoods. That's where we are. Just had quite a steep hill. It's about 260 metres. Feet. Oh, I'm so bad at giving information. Anyway, it was a hill. And there's an old settlement here. Don't know what age. But yeah. And now we're going down again. So, it's quite a steep hill, was it? Or was it me?
Yeah, that was hard going.
Okay. And so this arrow here, according to Matt, is pointing to where the cheese rolling hill is. I think it's telling you where the Cotswold Way is. So we're having a slight disagreement now because we've gone past the cheese rolling hill.
I thought it was an arrow and a little roll.
A little baby bell. Oh, it's funny. Anyway, this is lovely because it's been mostly in trees today, and I'm slightly disorientated in which direction we're going.
Yeah.
Because we've got no views to like spot
We think we've been zigzagging. I think that's right.
Yeah, but I think we're going to go up that little hill that was on its own. To the left of Cheltenham, there's like a little mound. Hopefully we go up it. That'll be interesting. Maybe not. I don't know. Path today's been followed by this Cotswold wall, pretty much most of the way, really, I'd say, and they're boundary markers. But yeah, they're rather pretty. Oh, look at the gap down there, though. Woo! I think we're going up again. Painswick beacon. There's a hill fort, which I think we might be walking up to now. But as always, you can't really see it from here.
See on the sign?
Yeah.
Juniper berries.
Oh wow! Where? Oh yeah, juniper berries. So also present are native juniper bushes, which are naturally declining. Oh.
People keep drinking all the gin.
Yeah, too many drink. And there's an orchid there. What orchid's that? A bee orchid. So yeah, just gotta find the signs now. Oh, danger. It's always dangerous walking, whether it's a cliff face or an active golf course. Like a bit of danger, don't we, Matt? Use the outside paths, please. Okay. Of course, walking, which is fine. Find quite a few of these national trails sort of go round a golf course. So thanks, golf courses. And there is your Iron Age fort up there. And some more orchids. Whoa, look at those. They are lovely.
Do you think the Romans used orchids for anything? Or do you think they're just naturally occurring?
Yeah, they're natural, aren't they? There's the Iron Age fort up on the hill in the middle of a golf course. A bit of an abrupt end because we found ourselves at Painswick Golf Course pretty quickly, and then just had to go and find the car that we parked it. Got to rate that walk, Matt.
7 out of 10.
7 or yeah? Oh, I don't know.
7.5.
6. I'm going to give it a 6 because the views weren't there today, but there was some nice wood walking.
For the cheese rolling.
Oh yeah, okay. 6.5 because we found the cheese rolling hill, and we did drive into Painswick to find a pub.
And it was a bit difficult to navigate.
It's a beautiful town. Oh, it's so pretty, but if you've got a bigger car than a Fiat Panda, don't even attempt to go there. There's a lot of roadside parking, and the roads are really narrow, and it is absolutely beautiful. And I'm looking forward to walking through it. But yeah, probably don't ever want to drive through it again. So we're at a pub called the Air Balloon, which is back near Birdlip, and we ordered a burger and we've got our beer. So. Cheers. So don't know when we're going to be doing the next bit. It's probably going to be
a few weeks
because I'm heading off on holiday for a couple of weeks. So yeah, it could be a little while, but looking forward to it because I think we're going to have some nice villages to walk through next time. So Painswick we've got to walk through.
We're not going through Cirencester, but we're passing.
Yeah.
We're walking around it.
Yeah.
So that'll be interesting.
Yeah. So cool.